Opa! Kalispera! Look at this delicious dish. It is quick, easy to make, and tastes amazing. First, we heat up our pan and add a splash of olive oil. Next, throw in some garlic to flavor that beautiful oil. Wow, that garlic cooking in the oil smells incredible. Now, toss in a couple of pinches of chili flakes to give this dish a nice spicy kick. Time for the mixed vegetables to add some beautiful color and some crunch into the dish. Give them a quick stir and let them cook for about a minute. You can use fresh or frozen veggies here, whatever you have in your fridge. Now, in goes our tuna. We don't want to cook it, just stir it through to warm it up with our veggies. If you overcook tuna, it becomes really dry and chewy, and we want to keep it nice and flaky. Just a pinch of black pepper for flavor, and 2 nice pinches of salt to really bring everything together. Just look at that, the colors, the textures. It's looking incredible already. And now for the grand finale, our rice. Dump it right in, give everything a really good mix, and we are ready to serve. This is one of my absolutely favorite dishes. It is so quick, easy, and I know you're going to love it. And like always, que calizas orexi.